Hi everyone! So today we're making what we all love when we come to the parks, well at least I do, are these Mickey Rice Krispies treats with the chocolate coated ears and the sprinkles. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'm working on making this a weekly thing. Every Wednesday I should be having a video come out. So please remember to subscribe so you can see those. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our ingredients here. We have our Rice Krispies. I don't have dairy at home because I'm lactose intolerant. So I'm gonna be using this vegan butter. It really doesn't matter what type of butter you use, if it's dairy or not. So I'm going to be using this and my marshmallows. So of course with every Rice Krispies box, they have the directions here to make Rice Krispies treats. So that's what I'm going to be following today. So we're going to get our 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. So now we're gonna add our marshmallows. And what I have left is about the 10 ounces of marshmallows. But even if it's a little more, that's okay, extra gooiness. So now we want that to melt down. So as you can see, this is already starting to melt. The box does say to do it over low heat, but I have no patience. So I have this at medium heat right now. As long as you keep an eye on it, it should be all right. So as you can see, it's pretty much all melted. There's still like some marshmallow clumps, which I don't mind. So I'm gonna start pouring in my Rice Krispies treats. This is 4 cups here. Once I pour this out, I'll put in the last 2. Now I have my 9 by 13 pan here. I'm gonna grease it up with some coconut oil. I like this one from Spectrum because it really doesn't have that coconut flavor, so it won't alter the flavor of the Rice Krispies. And now we just pour it in. So since this is really hot right now, I'm going to get up some plastic wrap and just push it down, make everything level. And you don't even need that much. It's just to help prevent from sticking onto your hands, and it's pretty hot right now. Okay, and we're done. This I'm gonna throw in the freezer for, I would say, about 10-15 minutes, just so it can get solid enough that we can use the cookie cutters without it falling apart, because we also have to dip it into the melted chocolate. All right, so we're back. It's been about 5-10 minutes and the Rice Krispie is pretty solid. I've melted some chocolate here for dipping. I like to use pretty much any Ghirardelli chocolate because it's so good. And these are the dark chocolate flavored melting waffles. So I melted that in the microwave. I couldn't find Mickey sprinkles, which is really sad, but I got these mixed colored ones. I ordered them off of Amazon, but you can find them at Joann Fabrics. Right now their inventory is kind of low because everything that's happening. And I have my Mickey cookie cutter that I got at the parks. I also have this non-stick baking sheet thing. I forgot what it's called, but this is what I use for baking. This is great just for leaving things that are coated with a chocolate or something, and you just pop it in the fridge and they come off easily. So let's get started with cutting these out. Okay, if you hear any weird noises, it's my dog playing on the carpet. So we've got one, and we'll just pop that. Sorry. And look at how cute! So realistically, in this pan, you might be able to get 4, maybe 5. But you'll still have plenty of leftover bits of Rice Krispies treats in the pan, which my husband will love eating. Alrighty, so this is what we have left. If you wanted to, you can roll it up and then flatten it out, pop it in the fridge again so it can stiffen up, and just see how many more you can cut out with the cookie cutter. Or you can just leave it like this and have Rice Krispies treats, just not perfectly measured out or anything. Let's move on to the dipping. So I've got this nice and melted, and we're just gonna go in and I think it's the top half. Alright, so here we go. And I'm gonna place that there, and while it's still melted, sprinkle, oops. Do not open the cap and just sprinkle it like that. You're gonna have a mess. It's gonna be like huge amounts of sprinkles, but if you like that, go ahead. Whoa. It looks so cute. Okay, let's go in with the second one. You just want to shake off any excess chocolate. And this chocolate part is optional. Or if you don't like chocolate and you're more of a white chocolate person, go ahead and use white chocolate. It's really whatever your preference is. But I'm a chocolate person all the way, me and Anna. That's what it's about. if you're doing just the 5 like I am here, you're gonna have a lot of chocolate left over. So if you wanted to, I'm just gonna do it on 1. You can get artsy and just swish it back and forth and get those chocolate streaks. Maybe I'll do 1 more. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna do all of them. It just looks really cute. And we're gonna pop this back in the freezer and let's see how it comes out. You guys, look at how cute these are. I love them so much. Okay, how cute are these? There you go. They are so adorable. Really, they just needed about 5 minutes or so in the freezer after you apply the chocolate. But I can't wait to eat these. I'm gonna go drop off a couple at my friend's house because I know she's missing Disney as much as I am. But these are so cute and they're great for like parties and, you know, little gifts for people.